Chapter 8. Beautiful Flowers. In the Spotlight. Buds bloom into flowers. Seasonal flowers. Honey from flowers. Uses of flowers. Do you know why bees, butterflies, or other insects get attracted to the flowers? Let us know about this. The most beautiful part of a plant is the flowers. The main function of flowers is to produce fruits and seeds. They are of different shapes, sizes, colors, and fragrances. Flowers grow from buds. They burst open and petals spread out to form flowers. Believe it or not, a bud is the swollen portion at the end of a stem that will mature into a flower. Buds bloom into flowers. Flowers help the plants to reproduce more of their own kind. They make new seeds and the process is called reproduction. Petal is the bright, colorful part of a flower. Sepals are the small green leaves that protect the flower bud. Stamen is the male part of a flower. It is made up of anther and filament. Anther produces the pollen grains. Pistil is the female part of a flower. Stigma, style, and ovary are its parts. When the pollen and the egg meet, a fruit is formed. Pollen from one flower is carried to another flower by the birds, butterflies, bees, wind, or water. Seasonal flowers. Some flowers bloom only in certain seasons. They are called seasonal flowers. Flowers of spring season. Tulips and daffodils bloom in spring season. Flowers of winter season. Dahlia, pansy, calendula, rose, and chrysanthemum bloom in winters. Flowers that bloom throughout the year. Lily, bougainvillea, and marigold bloom throughout the year. Honey from flowers. Honey bees visit flowers. When a bee finds nectar, it returns home and begins dancing to tell the other bees. Thus, the other bees come to know where to go and which flower to look for. They suck nectar from flowers and carry it to their hive. A beehive is a place where a colony of bees lives. It is made up of hexagonal, six-sided cells called combs. These combs are like small rooms where the bees store nectar and pollen, lay eggs, and raise their young ones. The bees spit out the nectar that they collect from flowers and seal the comb with wax they produce. Slowly, this nectar changes into honey. So honey is made from flowers. Believe it or not, the people who rear bees are called apiarists, extracting honey. Beekeepers rear honeybees, collect honey, and sell it in the market. When a honeycomb is full of honey, it starts dripping as the cells that store honey become weak and begin to crack. The beekeeper then knows it is time to extract the honey from it. Honey is collected by burning a fire under the tree. The heat and smoke makes the bees fly away and thus honey can be collected. Flowers in our lives. Flowers bring joy, beauty, fragrance, color, and freshness in our lives. Any celebration is not completed without flowers. Flowers are used in prayers, festivals, and weddings. Believe it or not, a person who sells flowers is called a florist. Uses of flowers. The petals of flowers are used to make rangoli. The sweet-smelling flowers of jasmine, rose, and lavender are used to make perfumes. Flowers of cauliflower, broccoli, banana, and pumpkin are eaten as vegetables. On religious festivals, idols of deities are decorated with garlands made of marigolds and roses. Rose petals are used in gulkand. It is the sweet mixture used in pan leaves or medicines. Floral designs are used by designers to decorate rugs, carpets, jewelry, bed sheets, and fabrics. Dried flowers are used to make potpourri. People greet one another with bouquets and baskets of flowers on special occasions. Many women wear flowers in their hair in a gajra. Petals of some flowers are used to make dry colors called gulal during holy celebrations. Points to ponder. 1. Name 3 flowers which you like. 2. Do you like honey? Have you seen a honeycomb? Let us recall. Flowers are the most beautiful parts of plants. Buds bloom into flowers. Honeybees make honey from the nectar of flowers. Flowers bring joy, beauty, fragrance, color, freshness in our